A person with a chiseled jawline is considered to be more confident, appear more powerful, stronger, and more attractive. If your body can provide you with the desired results after working out, so can your facial muscles. Chiseled jaws can indicate higher levels of energy as well as optimal levels of the hormone testosterone, just like your body. A defined jawline indicates a fit and healthy lifestyle. Ways to get a sharp, chiseled jawline. Excess salts are bad for your skin, so limit your intake of salt and sodium. A good way to increase blood circulation is to massage your face in a circular motion with ice. This will tighten the skin. Rub your jaw, chin, and cheek for a few seconds to improve results. Reduce your weight. Getting rid of fat can leave you with a toned physique, allowing you to show off more defined facial features. Reduce your body fat to less than 10% so that your cheekbones and jawline can be seen. However, body fat cannot always be used to determine jaw shape. Much is determined by the shape of your skull and your genes. In my philosophy, everyone is different. A good night's sleep is also necessary if you want to look good. Sleep at least 8 hours per day. Too much sugar damages the skin's collagen. Excess sugar also results in large open pores, increased oil production, and oily skin. Genetics also plays a significant role. Get the right haircut. You should get a haircut that is not only appealing but also helps define your jawline. Let's go over some exercises that can help you improve the appearance of your jawline. Stretch your neck, jaw, and face muscles on a regular basis. Tighten and squeeze your cheeks inward and stretch your neck by turning your head left and right. Tongue press. When it comes to face workouts, your tongue is the most focused part. Firmly press your tongue against the roof of your mouth. Our focus will be on the area beneath your chin. Making humming sounds while exercising will also help the muscles. Sagging chin. Rest your chin on your fist while keeping your elbows on the table, and try to open your mouth while gently placing force with your fist. This will strengthen the muscles in your jawline and beneath your chin. Say the vowels I, O, and U. Maintain the straightest possible neck posture. After that, speak slowly. Continue for 5 to 10 seconds with each vowel. Do 5 to 7 sets per day for best results. A kiss on the ceiling. This is a straightforward and highly effective exercise for your cheekbones and double chin. Get up or sit, then look at the ceiling and kiss it, pulling your lips as high as you can. Hold this pose for at least 10 seconds. For best results, repeat 12 to 15 times per day in 2 sets. Create a fish face. Relax your face, then pull your cheeks in and hold this position for 7 to 15 seconds. Increase your time in this position gradually. Do 3 to 5 sets of 5 to 7 reps twice a day. Strengthening the appearance of the chin is one way to add an appealing shape to the jawline. A recessed or weak chin draws attention away from the jawline. A defined jawline is important as it makes you appear sharper and more healthy looking, makes you appear more confident and more powerful, creates the perfect smile, and most importantly, improves attractiveness by miles. If you found this video beneficial, please like and subscribe to my channel for beneficial videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.